Hey, what's going on, guys? So my name is Ipe. I've been making money on the internet since 2014, and in this video I'm going to explain the difference between affiliate marketing and dropshipping, and I'm also going to compare it with my actual favorite business model, which is local lead generation. Over the years, I've tried all these different online business models, and what I can say is some of these business models are more suited for others, and I'm going to explain what those reasons are. So affiliate marketing is a business model where you grab an affiliate link for a software or a physical product, and all you have to do is generate traffic to that link. People click on the link, and when they click on the link and they buy that product, you earn a commission. Sometimes it's 10 to 40%, depending on the product or the offer. What's cool about that is you don't have to create the product. All you have to do is generate attention on the internet, generate traffic, and you can make commissions. What people traditionally have done is they would make review articles or videos about a product, because when somebody's trying to buy a product, they might go research that product and go look for reviews. So you would make like a video or a article, get it to rank in YouTube or on Google, and then whenever somebody watches your review, they like your review, they click on the link, that you earn commission. Now, the problem with affiliate marketing is that it is so easy for anybody to grab that link. There's no barrier to entry. So anybody can grab that link and they can create that review article or a video, and they can compete with you. So it's a business model that gets saturated very quickly, and you're competing with affiliate marketers from all over the world. Again, that's also an issue because affiliate marketing is going to attract people that doesn't necessarily have English as their first language, because you don't have to talk to anybody with affiliate marketing. So you're competing with affiliate marketers from countries like China, India, Philippines, all over the world basically. And so it is fierce competition these days for any of these popular products that get traffic. You can go research that product plus review on YouTube or Google, and you can see that it is dominated by all these people that are all already going after that. So competition is fierce, and it's very difficult to stand out from everybody else that's also trying to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is great for people that already have some sort of audience. So whether you are a blogger or a YouTuber, you are passionate about a particular subject and you're an expert in that subject, and you can make content on it, captivating content, and you have some audience, some subscribers, and then you promote a product that is similar in the niche of that audience, and then you'll be able to make some sales. But for most people, to create a blog today, it's going to take at least 1 year to 2 years before a blog gets any sort of decent traffic. And on YouTube, it is also a grind as well. It takes at least 1 year of consistently uploading videos to generate enough audience. So affiliate marketing is a grind. You have to put out good content out there, build an audience, and sell to that audience. Whereas dropshipping, it's more of first come, first serve. Every now and then there's trending products that become very profitable on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. I'm sure you've all seen different ads for different physical products, whether that was a fidget spinner or way back in the day it was a hoverboard. These days you'll see various cleaning products or just some different gadgets. 9 times out of 10, those products are being sold by a dropshipper. So when you click on the ad, you go to the store, you purchase that product. That dropshipper will take your money and then use that money to buy that product cheaper from usually an overseas supplier, and the overseas supplier will ship it to you. Oftentimes it is pretty like slow shipping time, sometimes 2 to 3 weeks, because your product's getting shipped from overseas, which gave dropshippers a lot of bad rep. But dropshippers don't really care about getting negative reviews, unlike Amazon listing, because once they sell enough of those products, then they can shut down the store and they can start over from scratch. So dropshipping these days, a lot of the ad platforms like Facebook and Instagram don't really like dropshippers because it doesn't give the best user experience. So it's very difficult to keep a dropshipping ad alive. even people are still doing drop shipping, counting on the fact that their ad or their product is only going to stay profitable for 2 to 3 weeks, and it's just rinse and repeat. The drop shipping model has a lot of churn and burn. You have to start new stores and then kill the store once it stops being profitable, and then start new ones. Another reason why dropshipping business doesn't last long term is that once you have a successful winning ad and a winning product and a winning store, it's going to start to get a lot of likes and attention on social media platforms, and then other dropshippers are going to copy that product and that offer. In fact, dropshippers are taught in different courses and training programs to not just randomly find a product to dropship, but just look for products that are already being successful on these platforms and duplicate it. So the whole model is based off of cannibalizing each other and other people's successful dropshipping campaigns. So this is why over time, as other people copy your campaign or other people's campaign, it becomes less and less profitable. So at best, dropshipping only lasts about 2 to 3 months. So it is not a long-term business. You have to consistently create new stores, find new suppliers, and it's just a lot of ongoing effort involved in dropshipping. I would say with affiliate marketing, if you are passionate about a subject and you're in it for the long haul and you create really good content and you enjoy creating content, whether it's video or articles or a blog, then affiliate marketing is going to end up being more long-term income, whereas dropshipping, it is just churn and burn. You have to consistently do research and find new products to promote, sell product. It might only be profitable for a couple of weeks and then you have to start all over again. Dropshipping is more so of the attitude of somebody that's just trying to make money quick, and it's almost more of a side hustle more than being an actual real business. Now, you can turn dropshipping into a really sustainable long-term business, but you need a lot of competitive advantage. You can't no longer be going into dropshipping with hardly any budget and trying to take the customer's money and buy from overseas suppliers. That is a business model that anybody can do. So if you want to be successful long-term dropshipper, you have to do things that the average person isn't able to do, which involves such thing as if you're trying to ship to American customers, you might want to find more high-ticket products that not too many other dropshippers can find, because these products are not on like places like AliExpress where everybody has access to those suppliers. These are suppliers that you have to go find. Maybe you might want to go set up meetings with these companies, fly out to these companies and form special deals and relationships where you become almost like a retailer of that special brand or product, and you begin to drop ship for them, and you use more Google ads of people searching that brand, and you become essentially the middleman to promote that product. And this is a very good product. Ideally, it's a product that doesn't have that much competitors, even on Amazon, because it's a special brand and special product. And you become almost a retailer, a middleman for that product. And then you could potentially create a dropshipping business that lasts more long term. However, you do need a lot better track record of who you are and how you're an expert marketer for these companies to want to work with you. And you do have to go do things that's outside the norm to form these relationships or get to the decision maker in some of these companies. And you also do need good capital to invest in advertising to promote these products, because these higher ticket products do cost good, decent money in advertising to promote. Now, both affiliate marketing and dropshipping is highly competitive because it leverages the internet, which is a great thing, but it also opens the door for everybody in the world to compete in that space, whether it's trying to sell the same offer in affiliate marketing or the same product in dropshipping. You're competing with literally global competition, everybody in the world that wants to make money with these two different business models. This is why it is a lot more difficult for the average beginner to succeed in affiliate marketing or dropshipping. It's going to take incredible amount of resilience, grit, and being able to stay with it long term to be able to compete. You're not going to just pick up these business models and generate attention and traffic on the internet and start making money, because that was the case maybe 10 years ago. But now that this two business models are so widely known, that you're competing with hundreds and thousands of other people that are already trying to make money with it. And on top of that, new people trying to get into these business models on a daily basis. This is why I recommend local lead generation as the better business model, because in local lead gen, you're not dealing with global competition. You're going into local, and that is the key. With local lead gen, you're simply building and ranking websites at the top of Google search engine and generating leads for local services. For example, like a towing company or a plumber or a roofer, and any of these companies only go 50-mile radius. So every city, every town, every county is a brand new market. We have a coaching program of 7,000 students, and saturation is not an issue that our students deal with, because in the US alone, there's at least 1,200 cities that our students can get into, and in each city there's 50 different niches that we can go into. So being able to go into local and dominate the local markets allows you to have way less competition and allows you to start generating passive income in 3 to 6 months, as opposed to affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you might have to grind out content for at least a year. With dropshipping, you have to risk your own money in advertising, and you might break even. Sometimes you might even lose money. And even if you create a successful winning campaign, it's like it only lasts 2 to 3 weeks, maybe two months at most, before it stops being profitable and you're back to square one. I don't like being in business where all these different variables can come in and take me out of business. If I'm going to quit my 9 to 5, I want to know that I have a business that I can rely on. And local lead generation has the longevity and it has the stability, because I've proven it to myself over and over again. I have websites from 7-8 years ago that I haven't really touched since, still making me anywhere from $500 to $2,000 a month. So all in all, if you're a beginner just trying to quit your 9 to 5, or even just get to $10,000 per month in passive income, I highly recommend checking out local lead generation. I think it's a way easier, way better business model to get into than dropshipping or affiliate marketing. Thank you, and see you on the next video.